Welcome to the case study series in negotiation by SkilledMBA. In this session, we explore the intersection of strategy, emotion, and decision-making in one of the most intense and personal arenas, real estate negotiation. In this SkilledMBA simulation, you'll step into the shoes of a buyer navigating a high-stakes property negotiation. The experience challenges you to balance emotional dynamics with rational analysis while making critical decisions under pressure. You'll gain hands-on practice in evaluating offers, crafting counteroffers, and applying negotiation tactics to secure a favorable deal. This simulation is designed to sharpen your ability to think clearly, act strategically, and communicate persuasively in competitive negotiation scenarios. Your family dreams of leaving behind the cramped two-bedroom apartment for a spacious home. This desire for more room and a sense of belonging drives your search for the perfect property. The emotional stakes are high as you navigate the complexities of finding a place that meets your family's needs and aspirations. Horsley's northern area offers reputable schools and tranquil streets, ideal for families seeking a nurturing environment. The eastern zone, a coveted neighborhood, presents limited homes for sale, making opportunities rare. A new listing in this area sparks hope for change, offering a chance to secure a dream home in a desirable community. The emotional stakes are high with only one home available in your dream area after years of waiting. This is your family's chance for a better life in Horsley, making the decision crucial. Balancing desire with practical considerations is key to securing this rare opportunity. As the buyer, your role involves thorough preparation by studying the scenario and setting clear priorities. Engage actively with the seller's agent to assess the home's value. During negotiation, strategically make offers, counter, and maintain composure to secure the best deal for your family. Immerse yourself in the buyer role, understanding your character's needs. Engage dynamically in negotiations, responding to issues, offers, and emotions as they arise. This simulation aims to develop practical negotiation skills, crucial for navigating the property market effectively. Balancing emotion and strategy is crucial in property negotiations. Emotional urgency, like the desperation for space or family dreams, must be tempered with financial discipline. Adhere to your $250,000 budget, weighing value against cost. Craft a winning offer that is both competitive and realistic, ensuring it is persuasively presented to secure the desired outcome. Define your interests by identifying key priorities in your property purchase. Set a walkaway point by establishing and adhering to your maximum budget during negotiations. Practice persuasion by crafting compelling arguments that emphasize your position's strengths. Secure the home confidently, knowing you've negotiated effectively. Negotiation skills significantly boost confidence, with 90% of students reporting increased assurance. This leads to decision-making that is 3 times faster in future purchases. Additionally, 2 pages of actionable simulation insights provide practical strategies, enhancing real-world application and effectiveness in negotiations. Uncover true interest by identifying key transaction priorities. Handle scarcity and competition by strategizing effectively when options are limited and competitors are present. Develop and deliver offers that balance risk and reward, ensuring proposals are both compelling and feasible. Empathy and influence are crucial in negotiations. Understand the seller's priorities beyond price to tailor your approach. Shape your message by appealing to both emotion and logic, ensuring it resonates. Building trust is essential. Establish rapport to facilitate smoother agreements and foster a collaborative environment. Set clear expectations and objectives to measure success effectively. During negotiation, experiment with various strategies and tactics to find what works best. After the outcome, debrief to reflect and learn, enhancing future negotiation skills. The skills acquired extend beyond mere transactions, influencing career advancements, personal purchases, and everyday negotiations. Mastery in these areas enhances decision-making, fosters confidence, and ensures long-term success. This holistic approach transforms how we engage in all aspects of life, making each interaction a strategic opportunity. Harness the power of purposeful practice to refine your negotiation skills. Strategically approach each negotiation, focusing on value beyond just price. Utilize skilled MBA simulations to build genuine confidence and lasting expertise in negotiation, ensuring success in both professional and personal arenas. Thank you for joining us. Stay connected with Skilled MBA for ongoing learning. Reach us at +91 875 3000795 or support@skilledmba.com. Visit our website at skilledmba.com. Elevate your negotiation skills with real decisions and real learning.